Libra, Libra, Libra. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Magandang araw, tanghali, gabi, mga fellow OFW. Welcome po, welcome. So, January 1 to 15 reading po tayo. So, start natin yung New Year na all positive, positivity. Yes? Okay. So, tignan natin. Libra, what Libra needs to know. Yeah, air sign, balance. Naghahanap ng balance palagi. Libra, life of the party. Libra, January 1 to 15. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, fellow FW, general reading. Kung makaresonate, shout out. Kung hindi po, sa susunod, huwag pong pilitin. Tignan natin. January 1 to 15, Libra, what you need to know. What you need to know. Bigyan natin ng positive reading si Libra. January 1, give me one card. Give me one card. Okay? Let's start. Give me one card. One card lang. One card. Libra. One card. Yeah? Tumaob. Okay? Oh. Knight of Sword. Mabilis na news. Okay? Very aggressive. Very fiery. Year of 2026, year of the fire horse. Mabilis magbagong isip, mabilis magdesisyon, mabilis mag-init ng ulo, mabilis tabangan, mabilis. Yes, everything is moving fast. For 2026, big shift. Lahat ng sign maapektuhan po. Libra, air sign. Kung ano yung manifest mo, it's moving fast also. News, yung energy mo, mabilis ka rin mag-isip. Okay? Tignan natin. If there's not some more na you need to be cautious also. Okay? So, preparation po ito ng 2026 because meron tayong itinanim, 2025. Yes? Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin ang storyboard ni Libra, January 1 to 15. Anong preparation dapat? Ano ang preparation? What Libra needs to know? Okay? What Libra needs to know? January 1 to 15. Balance. Yun po ang full moon message. Yeah? Check nyo rin po sa mga hindi pa nakapanood. Yung full moon and new moon ng 2025. Baka merong connection. Merong makakuha kayo ng subliminal message or anything. New moon and full moon. So, okay, tuloy natin. This January 1 to 15 reading, Libra. News is coming fast. Decision is coming fast as well. What else you need to know? Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me... Oh, may hesitation si Libra. May hesitation. Yung reading niya last time, I know, parang sabi ni Libra, huwag niyo akong pakialaman. Huwag niyo akong pakialaman. Okay. Oops, may tumaob ba? Wala. Okay. Tuloy natin. Let's, continue. Storyboard ni Libra. What else you need to know? Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Hindi sayang. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot, Libra. What else you need to know? One card lang. One card. One card. One card. One card, Libra. What else you need to know? Yeah? Oh. So, haba-haba ng balasa, structure. You're looking for structure, Libra ka. So, alam mo na, you will be happier if you have that pentacles, happy life, healthy, wealthy, masaya sa spouse mo, masaya yung anak, nakakapag-aral, magandang eskwelahan, nakakabayad ka ng credit card, nabibigyan mo si biyanan mo ng pang-shopping, meron kang pet, meron kang happy family, yeah? Maganda ang career, yes? News is coming, okay. Nakatalikod siya, okay? Nakatalikod yung knight, going to that direction, pero ito yung vision mo. So, what's happening? Pero yun ang plano mo, okay? Tingnan natin. That's the whole storyboard ni Libra. Tingnan natin. What else Libra needs to know? Makukuha mo yan, walang problema. Hawak, ano yan, nasa iyo na yan, yung foundation. I think you already know that. Alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve for 2026. Yeah? Alam mo na yung gusto mong minanifest mo. Naka-ano na siya, naka-drawing na. Knowing Libra na palagi nagwe-weigh yan bago mag-decision, siguro it's time for you to, I can see here you need to be more independent. Kaya nakatalikod siya. Yes? Parang kung mawala ito Parang kung mawala siya. That meaning, pupunta rin ako sa gera pero ito yung tatakbuhin ko. Okay? Ikaw, bahala ka. Ako, tatakbo dito. Yes? Kumbaga sa decision-wise, sige, yan ang gawin mo, pero ito ang gagawin kong decision. Yes? Pero patungo pa rin tayo dun sa sitwasyon na hinahanap mo. Yeah? Happy family, fulfilling life, malusog, pambayad sa credit card. Yes? Okay. Tingnan natin. What else Libra needs to know? Yeah. Minsan meron personality si Libra na ganyan na hindi rin siya sumasang-ayon. Okay? Agree siya theoretically, pero iba yung gagawin. Yeah? Kasi nawawala yung balance niya Na parang na-choke, nasasakal. Tama po ba? Yeah, okay. Libra. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. One card lang. Ituloy natin. January 1 to 15. What Libra needs to know? One card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Well, give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Ayaw na naman magsalita nitong Libra na ito. Give me one card. Give me one card. Blind spot. Blind spot. Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Give me one card. Hindi sa iyan. Sandali po. Anin ko lang. Sorry, Libra. Okay. Nahihiya tong card. Okay. One card lang. One card lang kay Libra. Ituloy natin storyboard. Nawawala siya sa pacing. Ayaw din magsalita nitong Libra na ito. Sorry. Okay. One card lang. One card. Give me one card. One card lang. Tignan natin. You're fulfilling your wish here. That's what I can sense. Kaya lang, humiwalay ka. Okay. See? Judgment. Okay. Pag-uusapin ko yung dalawang card. Okay? Ito mo yung angel. Okay. This is a blessing also. Okay? I think nagkaroon ka ng eureka moment dito. You can see that angel, yung trumpet niya, ito ikaw Yeah? Parang sinasabi, okay, go to your direction. Okay? Pagkahaba-haba ng balasa po. So, I just want to connect yung cards kung I can get some subliminal meaning. Okay, ito ka Libra, okay? There's no right or wrong sa pagdesisyon po natin. If you want to go to that way and decide on a different route, ibang ruta ito go for it, okay? May blessing. That's how I can see here. Judgment, reset, restart, resurrection. Yeah, nasa Bible. Resurrection, yung angel, is it Raphael or angel Gabriel? Itong nandito sa tarot deck, tarot card. So, resurrection, it's the judgment. So, yan yung judgment na okay, masamang kang tao, kailangan ka itapon sa impyerno. Ano lang yon, mga metaphor, okay? So, itong Libra na nasa harapan ko, you did make a decision or news coming and iba yung expectation, iba yung dumating na decision. Yes? So sometimes, ano yan blind spot natin. We didn't expect na yung outcome, yung decision is different from yung wini-wish natin. Yes? Bigyan ko na ng example. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng bahay, nangutang ka, nagpa-approve ka, nangutang ka ng halimbawa ng 1,000,000. Okay? Ngayon, ang na-approve lang 500 million. Okay? Gusto mo ng bahay na ganito, may swimming pool. So, ibang ruta yung pupuntahan mo. It's either mag-reapply ka o pagtiyagaan mo yung bahay na affordable lang sa 500. Yes? So, kung ano man yung magiging decision mo na yun, may blessing. That's what it means here. Follow your instinct. That's what I can smell here also. Ayun, naka-ano siya, sabi ka doon, nagcha-charge ka na, go, punta tayo rito. Sabi mo, Libra, okay? Alam mo yung alam mo yung struktura na kailangan mong negosyo to, kung sakaling negosyo. Ngayon, sabi ng iba, ganitong gawin natin po, Libra. Sabi mo naman, ganitong gawin ko, okay? Pero pareho pa rin tayo ng patutunguhan. The card is telling you, the universe is telling you, go for it. Parang sinasabi niya pa, sige, bilisan mo pa. Do that way. Okay? Do that way. This one, you can see yung ulap, parang magkarugtong siya, Yeah? So, tama po ba? Judgment, okay? Karma. That's also karma. I consider it as a karma. Okay. So, ilagay ko siya dito kasi kulang pa yung storyboard ni Libra. Okay? But very nice this one. I like this type of reading, Libra. Okay. Magpapakape ka kung ano man itong judgment call na ito. Judgment call yan. So, kasi yung sitwasyon nag-iba Nag-iba yung dynamics. Tama po ba? Nag-apply ka sa trabaho. Ngayon, ang sweldo lang maliit. Ngayon, kulang ka pamasahe. Kailangan mo mag-iwan ng peras para sa pamilya mo. Ngayon, nako, sasabihin mo, yung savings mo kulang. Mangungutang ako. Yung mga ganun yan. Judgment call. Mabilisan po yan. Okay. So, itignan natin yung storyboard. I-apply po natin yung sitwasyon sa natin, sa sitwasyon sa buhay natin, yung meaning message ng tarot card. Okay. Tingnan natin blind spot, one more blind spot, Libra. This is interesting. Okay? Tingnan natin. January 1 to 15. January 1 to 15. Ano pa yung message? Panibagong panimula ito. January 1 to 15. This is big. Okay. Give me one card. Libra. What Libra needs to know? Okay. January 1 to 15. Mas mas prepare ko pong ibigay yung card kaya kung i-forward nyo na lang kung ayaw nyo makita yung pag-shuffle ko. Okay. Libra. What Libra needs to know. Okay. Libra. What Libra needs to know. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. Blind spot, Libra. Blind spot. Yan, lumilitaw na siya. Ayaw niya pa. May situation ka. Nagbabalance ka, Libra. Okay? Yung itong Libra na ito, super yung niya. Super yung pagbabalanse niya. Okay? Hindi madali ito para sa Libra na very dependent ka. And then, all of a sudden, you're gonna make a judgment call. Yeah? Kasi, big deal yan Kumbaga, halimbawa, nanganak, yung misis mo, tapos sabi ka nun, kailangan cesarean siya. Yeah? Mga ganun yan. It can be a life and death, situation. Libra. Blind spot. Give me one card. One card lang. Give me one card. One card. Parang ayaw niya dito sa card na ito. Parang wala yung, yun. Oh. King of Sword. Okay. You're making the right decision. Yeah. Or somebody else will. Okay? Hindi ko po alam yung sitwasyon nitong Libra na ito. Okay? You're moving here and somebody will make a decision. Dalawa po yan. Connect, ano yan? It's always, merong itinanim, merong intention, at may decision. Now, kung ano man yung decision na yun related for your family at fundamental, alam mong laruin. Nagkaroon ka ng doubt or nag-heavyweight ka ng ano man tawag doon, nag-way, okay? Decision is coming fast, okay? Is that decision na tatanggapin mo or you're gonna insist still on your way or the highway, okay? But disconnect yung emotion at saka yung headspace. Yeah? Alam mo yan, alam mong laruin yan. Okay? Decision is coming in your favor. Decision is coming in your favor. Ano yun? Ano kaya ito? Okay? Interesting po ito. Yung mga ganitong message, very straightforward. Hindi to yung mahabang series ng buhay natin na ganito, ganyan. Ito nasa nandun na siya sa on the spot. On the spot nito, na-corner ko yung sitwasyon. Ano na ito? It's happening. It's happening now. Okay? Baka maaring habang binabasa ko to, nangyayari na ito. Pasko, advance reading po tayo. Ngayon, January 1 to 15, that decision will come out. Okay? Yan yung mga tipong DPWH na makukulong. Yeah. Yan. Okay. Okay. Dignan ko lang. I want to see outcome. Blind spot. Give me one more blind spot. To Libra. Blind spot. Oh, may lumipad ba? Yeah, okay. Blind spot. I want to see blind spot. Yeah, okay. Dalawa yung ibinigay niya. Yeah, sabi ko, nag-hesitation ka rito eh. Okay. Nakita ko. Okay. Nakonect ko siya. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, hindi madali. Kaya sinasabi ko, nagwe-way ka. Okay? Okay, advice again. Okay? Page, bata, maliit ang pag-iisip, maliit yung emosyon, simple mag-isip, baby step. I always consider page as baby step at a time. Yeah? Baby step, kasi simple mag-isip, simple mag-desisyon. Minsan, meron siyang emosyon na maliit lang, na very innocent. Okay? Sasabihin ko sa'yo. So, sabi dito, Libra, noong bago ako pumasok, kukunin ko yung aking lunchbox. Pagkatapos noon, bibilangin ko yung coins at itatali ko yung sapatos ko, papasok na ako. Yeah? Pagkatapos noon, pag-recess, maglalaro ako ng computer games sa kanto, piso. Yeah? Okay. Ganyan siya mag-isip. Yun ang ina-offer niya lang sa daigdig. Yes? Yung emotion niya at saka yung practicality, magkahiwalay. Maliit lang yung maliit lang yung pinapakita niyang effort. Sabi niya, Libra, ikaw ngayon, nagbabalanse ka. Ano ba ang gusto mo? Kumain or maglaro ng computer games? Yes. O lokohin mo yung sarili mo at pagurin mo. Kasi at the end of the day, you need to decide. Okay? Yung bata walang takot. Mabilis magdesisyon, clear yung emotion kasi wala siyang attachment. Yes? kung ano man yung attachment natin sa buhay, okay. Komersyalismo, istruktura ng buhay, yung sasabihin ng pamilya, sasabihin ng kamag-anak, etc. Kasi malaki yung ano mo responsibility. Understand po, okay? Minsan, yung responsibility natin, it can make or break. Yeah? Dahil sa nangako ka, halimbawa sa biyenan mo na ibibili ko po yung anak ninyo dahil pakakasalan ko siya, ibibili ko at ibibigay ko sa kanya lahat-lahat. Yeah, okay. Magtrabaho ka ng 24 hours, magbayad ng mortgage, ganyan po yan. We think big kasi we overcommit. Yes, we overcommit. Libra has some issue here. Okay, kaya nakita ko tong bata. Um, Two of Pentacles, you overcommit. Yeah? Okay. 24 hours pero kailangan ko rin matulog. Ay, hindi. Yung anak ko kailangan kong pag-aralin sa mamahaling eskwelahan kasi pinangako ko sa biyenan ko yan. Yeah, ay, okay. Ngayon, mag-overtime ako. Sabi ni amo, ano ko yung etc. yung report. Ay, okay. Yeah. Pinagtatawanan ka ngayon ng Page of Cup. Ngayon, karma, judgment, call is saying, go for it. Yeah? Kung ano man tong go for it na ito, kung ikaw ba ay magko-conform sa society, pre-call po yan, free will. Yan sinasabing free will. Sabi mo, pinangako mo na ibibili mo yung bahay, yung nang maganda yung anak noong sabi mo sa biyenan mo dahil sa gusto mong hindi mo naman kaya. Yeah, okay, free will. Yes? And then, but you have to take responsibility. Sabi nung, ito dalawa yung tumitingin sa'yo. Ito ka, Libra, patungo sa ganyang direction. Sabi nung bata, yeah, okay. Gusto mo ng magandang bahay? Yes. Sige. Mag-ano ka? Trabaho ka 24 hours. Sabi din nung judgment, yes, it's your judgment call. Go for it. There's no right or wrong. But, at the end of the day, ang haba nung istoryang inan natin, you made to make the decision will happen. And kapag ang desisyon bumagsak, handa ka ba? Yeah, okay? Handa ka ba? Yun na lang ang tanong noong taro sa'yo. Handa ka ba? Kasi yung commitment mo is already there. Dinrawing mo na siya. Dinrawing na nitong Libra. So, free will po. Free will and you can have abundance as well. This is abundance. So, ibig sabihin, wala pong madali. If you want to have that fulfillment, struktura ng buhay ni Libra na pinangarap niya, nothing wrong po. Nothing wrong. But you need to learn how to balance and juggle practicality, emotion, and also your intelligence. And Libra is known for that also. Okay? One baby step at a time, sabi nung bata. Okay? Another message. Okay, silipin ko lang kung ano pa ito. Okay. Go to a circus, go to something, yung kabataan mo, lalo ngayon, holiday po, advanced reading po tayo. Go somewhere na entertainment, something, circus act, I can see here, circus act, colorful, anything colorful. Yeah, parang Disneyland, Disney World, or something to that effect. Yes? Okay. So, this one is a beautiful reading. I like it. Kasi Scorpio po ako. I like this type of challenge na binato sa sa buhay. Yes, true. Kasi paninindigan mo ito Paninindigan mo ito, Libra. Okay? Knowing Libra, naghahanap ng balance, minsan, natatakot. There's fear. Or understandable po. Understandable. Okay. One Moon Oracle card. Tingnan natin. Napahaba yung reading. Napahaba. Pasensya po. Marami nagre-reklamo minsan. Sabi nga, ang haba-haba. Dami mong tik-tak. Pasensya. Hindi. Yeah, okay. Virgo, okay? Virgo, wisdom. Earth sign. Kung ito yung nagpo-push siya ng motivation, Virgo, learn something from Virgo. Sabi ng advisor mo, okay? Sabi, Issues surrounding health and exercise may come to the fore. Focus on your physical well-being. Yeah, okay? If it's health-related issue, sabi ko, yan, no? Balance. Okay, focus. Sabi, natin raw, istruktura ng buhay, health, wealth, financial structure, edukasyon, pamilya, maganda at masagana. Yeah, yan ang definition po ng commercialismo. Kaya hindi mo matatakasan yan libra, pero mag-exercise ka, sabi. Yeah, okay. Pumunta ka sa sa manood ka ng circus. Yes, you might get something there. Yeah, yung balance. Yeah, mga ganun po. Simple yon. Simple, pero yung bata mag-isip. Minsan totoo. Tama po ba, Libra? Yeah, okay. So, very good reading. So, January 1 to 15. So, sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Salamat po.